dozen eggs. Now there's 2 duck eggs there, and there's 2 chicken eggs that, they probably were sitting there for a couple days in the duck coop. But other than that, that can is more than full, so I know it's over 2 dozen. Barton, he just rinsed the cans for me, and we're going to take care of the rabbits, and then we'll be done. But that big storm, that snow, rain, hail, boy, it really made a mess of that chicken coop, and it was just getting dry. It was just getting nice. Anyhow, we're ready for the rabbits, so this is just a little update on the chickens. The chickens are doing fine, and won't be long. I think this weather's going to straighten out for a bit, and we're probably going to take some of those roosters and send them to John Knoll's freezer camp, except it's going to be at our camp. Talk to you later. So you need my help.
Yeah.
These old senior citizens.
I guess I'll have you hand me those.
I can't do that. Well, I only got one hand. Woo! Poor Butchie. Oh man. He's on the inside now. You chicken, you. What a man will do for chickens. I'm telling you, there's something wrong with this country.
That's for a good breakfast.
Yeah. All for the stomach.
Screwed on the outside first.
I don't know. Okay. Well, that ain't gonna work very good if the chickens could get out that easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. There be a door, Martha. Yep. Custom fit. Yeah. All we gotta do is find some more of them hinges. Okay. The other end, the nesting box is not done, but it's got a good start. And sun's out. It's Easter Sunday, and happy Easter to everybody. So we'll be back with a little more. It's coming along. I'm sure the chickens are going to give a good grade. They will leave their mark of approval.
I'll have to do. I just need some longer screws.
Whoa. I knew it was going to come to this. Can you put 2 of them in?
No.
2 1-inch to make a 2-inch? Bummer, man. As bad as the old story of the guy that had a flat tire, and the guy came by and he says, "Oh, I had one. I just rolled it over, put the flat spot on the top."
Works every time.
Okay, enough of that. To the next part.
Yeah.
It's coming along. Now I want you folks to know that Barton took Art when he was in school. And some of these abstract type of cuts and designs just seem to tell the story of some of the lessons that he had when he went through that school. I think it was called abstract. Don't remember what the teacher called it for sure. But it does look nice, and it's coming along good. And he's going to have a door on it.
It was a mix of the art along with Dad said, "Don't waste no wood."
Yeah. No, that could be. That could be. Being I have a loss of memory, I don't remember. I plead the fifth. But that's a big door for a little chicken. But it does make it so that Bart can go through there real easy and catch them dudes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try to, anyways.
Yeah, but once you get a lot of chickens in there, you don't really want to get on your knees and get into that stuff.
The trick is you got to move it before you get in there.
Oh, okay. I wasn't. See, that's why you went to school.
Pull him through.
Now this is built for the rugged country in Sand Hollow, Idaho. As they say, giddy up, rawhide, wagon ho. And we got a mule at the other end. We're going to see if he can pull it. Maybe. Woo-wee. Yeah, them mini weight mules. Yeah. We got these sandburrs, and
They're still soft right now.
yeah. We're gonna put some chickens in there and see if we can't get some of that sandburr ate up. And then chickens will just hopefully devour that, eat it to the ground. So it's looking pretty good, and we have these deadbolts to lock it in place, and then of course we have the sanitary locks. And Barton now got a covered wagon, chicken Hoop-Coop tractor. Oh man, they're gonna love it. They are going to love it. Good job, Bart.
All right.
I don't care what anybody says about you. You're all right.
Now we'll get the nest boxes in there.
Yeah.
And chickens and see how they do.
Cool. All right.
How many chickens you gonna put in there, Mark?
We'll see.
As many as we can stick through that hole. We want these weeds ate up. Yeah, I did plant this year, but and there is a little bit of grass, but most of it came in weeds. It just blew too hard. I think it blew my seed away. Okay, folks. This is just about the end of the. We have to get the nest box in there, but we're reaching the end of our journey of the chicken Hoop-Coop tractor. And if this gives you any ideas, whether it's to do or not to do, that's okay, man. We it's basically a low budget chicken coop.
Yeah. I think, well, definitely under $100, right around 80, somewhere in there.
80 bucks, huh? Ooh. I could have bought some ammo with that, man. All right.
Have fun.
Have a good day.